is a beautiful thing. It can never be seen, but you can feel it within. Yeah, it's a natural thing. The boss sweet, sweet love.
So me frewa enye bone. Edin kana o dama sesa about phone, asida onyame o. Asida onyame o. Na asudi ma me frewa titru adwa.
Ade why bone bia?
Ekwan adwa de ma be faso wa ano ne ne ye bia. Suban bia obana so no.
Me ba adwa.
Ase wonya asem ketwa. One. Ade achi kura adwa me. En solo kura ono an bed empa wada so no. So obe sorry obe to kura no. Ase adwa dad ama ade achi no sorry free pass abaka se nkama 67 e di so ago. En passe wonya. Oya no betra. Wa so TV. Wa kana na ya to so obe bra, so obe day. Ye di adi mo kura wi adwo di adi mo onwohuru. Aso bibo bibie bi ofia. Adu bra sa adwo anu aduan no se yen woda. Adwo, what is yen woda? I told you don't disturb me.
Hey, now them ba no body man.
Adwo say mushe. Come back wa no bit ma kensan keso. Ka o kan ba akwa na nke nipa no mu ade kwa no akan tu a o kan ya adwo be 67 o bushi asew adwo etan fi haba awaye aduane ba ko pe na enkwan wo ye no ha no
na bo
gushiri pa gushiri enchini tsenchini twankwanim sei twam.
Hey, Ketri again.
Anyway,
if I no go Ketri.
Wait, I block Ketri school. Oh, I see. Just a 1 year old bar and then the traffic. Yes, so savvy, get the TV and
then no crack.
Your poor bar and then a daching, your bubble bra. Your nyabro funny, I could see Sikawa bonting.
No crack.
I don't know, Dibia, young water, a day. As soon as I draw 18 crowd, or one more quite much. I draw 18 hour boba phone. Quite near my wabajana. Menene Casawa. The big ones who are solid. I could ye near my piece, own see a beam, my friend Pim.
That's not a bad fee.
On one coy.
Hey, I come into the moon.
Man, dear, my friend, down.
I saw me patron, sir. I saw the attitude.
That means she are younger who are the decide one and down. What dear? I
saw Miss Slow. Wait a minute, now go home. I saw my watch. Miss Slow. I so sorry, women. I saw Miss Slow. I come into the moon.
So sorry.
What I'm saying, I saw I can't believe it. Says a cray, Nansemu, Nene, Neabio, or you, Fiono. Or Soriano, Pobesha Demo, sa. Walk a son won't feel on Pier or Nashi. Mebusana said, ah, not then I want my master was say, and never be a Nayana to coin. Nam say, ah, just want to mean can't a son of cranary answer me. Now what draw crash they want to say, Sabi yet a two fear. I cray. Adriani akre ben one today I'm shocked first. I'm shocked first. Because Adriani akre ben one at what's one is so catch. Because I didn't go to school. And me name so what
I didn't like a bath.
Really?
I didn't like it.
Since when's?
A compress.
A compress way?
For 2 days.
I can't believe that. I saw. Forgive me. For information, forgive me. Please. Sir, me banon, me name, I'm say we yes now, and that's what be feel. Me ban odono abroso. Enti amakro no aboto. Mr. Unim.
I may na you odono. Yeah, me na me paadwo asem ti tam tu mawa. Ukwa obeba.
There I no.
Asem so me tin bi asem bi na me.
Ah, okay.
Oui, tant hier tant tout.
Yes, no plan B.
Ni plan. Oh, me.
Aso hwe. Bruni na ka say let's bago. Dey twem ani twem. Dey aka na bomb. Ana asem so ba panyin se panyin tsem no woka. E bia do twasem no se na chia te so bi na ka. Ti mesrew. We na mensada mensayim.
But aso yes ase de bia do twa sanim se. Yes wo metwa sana se na de bia
wo. Da uti. Se me no e me won wase wo se adwoam pa wo so ye dwene nya de na gye mesem.
Esa no wo twa wonim na wo twa ko na wo ko. Etu hu se we hayi.
Enter me watch because me asem no I'm cheapless.
Don't be cheapless. Don't be cheapless.
Wouldn't say aso say if you nyina adwana aduane o.
Ana aduane ma mufio.
Me ne wo fanim ponkra no say adwoa anya aduane na wo fa wonni.
Ene mo betimi de be 2 days every 80 ro be 50.
Da be ne fia no un say obi wo to sika mu a na ato no nsem hu.
After release. Oba hu no aduane ye kwanye be ma wa ba no. Wonim adwoa no nso hye ko mu be hye.
Me patcho fata itiri mu de fa che me. Se no ntina de ato me no ebi nsi bi. Me ankasa me so me ba ne nsa. Ana me ko nya ne kasa kire. Me ko kasa man kasa gu na sum. Na me ba na kasa be fia se. Se na me frɛ ne maame a, no maame discipline no. Ko de wo ye kasa yi. Yes, opportunity comes about as once. What chance na pie no? Wonya be me ni munyamfo sei. Wotoi wonya basbasa. Wonfa be ma da. Since ono etna ye. Won to be powacho be ma na mesel.
So I didn't do we na bon so afa bi da na amfa bi da.
Na sa adwo to no afa be ma da na wan kan kire me.
Ono de hu hia say obi pass be wontimi mfa enje.
Ah me be na deceive me.
We don't judge the past. You can't judge somebody.
Oh de you ntwala de wagon. Me powacho mesel. To de mesre kwan. Na me ba na wakasa. Na me boa. Wo de ma me we din be me kakra bia. Me am de akora ne beba. Why mesel? Nima better san. Oh, it's okay. My feeling, I'm cheapless. My feeling. Why? Who the mess up? Hey!
Easy, madam.
This time, the guests are stubborn.
The guests are dangerous.
Adwa. Ya ka tabra ni waju do mutu we. Now, o ma me no dine on the new open.
Oh, we pure.
Dine na pie by this time.
We pure.
And is more change over. Ah, is a wood if you know no more say wash as you pie. Wash when you be a man na.
Me say o kasa we mempo.
Ah, say bia mu ye change over ni bia no wa pebe ma bia manager. O goro na ya sen kakra.
Ni mo ba no we bisa no.
Hey, o do no ma me we dey. Mo ye bi o. Ah.
What say?
Obisa.
One young one will last it to all.
Auntie.
Sorry, no new come. Sorry.
I don't know.
Sorry, no new come.
Montana sin the moon come on, I'm come baby dada. Why? When you come,
Oh, come have baby dada.
Come on. Oh, quite your fin over fee.
I don't want me. I'll put some sound question.
Yes, is a mob may akora. Mobo change over. Yes, I could only jay or if you raise a woman.
Therefore, did I call him the Yaquine? Let me think myself.
There'll be a well dream, no one in the walk continental. I know very
Auntie Dana ba. I don't know from.
Don't anoint me.
Move here and one come at Move here and one come at them.
No, for crown, you come as some dear Jiday, eh? I am Kawasa, your Kawasa, my Benyes Kefim. Oh, Madame June.
You want to destroy the company, okay? I'm asking a question.
Question, but
I say you want to destroy the company, okay?
Auntie, me dear Jow brought for them turn now, Kanasana.
I came the man house.
You went there?
Yes, I came there.
I told you not to go there.
You can't force me. You can't threaten me. I have my right to go there. Nobody can force me to don't go there.
Is it your man?
It's my man.
Ah.
It's my daughter man. But hey, so present papa. Who chantro? What can that one? No, because of she knew. The other of you no. Just I was you laugh at me. What's the boy?
I don't like that.
Me, I like that. There's some food I could do with you.
Why would you go there?
I have right to go.
You have no right to
because
go there.
You are my son, so I have right to go there.
Your son.
Your
daughter or your son?
Oh, over. From to come in over. From so called. Let me hey, man, I can be at you. What can be at him? That's a what if you my comes so bon quiet. So, boy. Yes, such as the old one. What done? No other. Why will last it? When she Won pra dem, wonya hwe. Eti wonim hwe koda nka pra dem se nka wo hu pra. Wo ko feel say what say bibia, what destroy bibia, nya sa. Ah? Make us sound me boy.
Ma destroy them.
Oh, you say?
Ma destroy them.
You destroy everything in the house. Huh? Ana man ne boafo. Kan so be say nkopana cho, kan be say nkopana cho jam kwatesa na to odi no.
Me nkopana cho. I just want no abepa ma cho na wo auntie. Wo hwe me oba te se me na me nkopana cho. Hey, she said ne twemu. Titina na ya mo emba no mo kopa cho. Say intine nde oti ha sei no. Na me hwe me skin we na me so nkopana cho. Me nkopana cho. Onu abepa wo de tobo. Obeba abepa ma cho. So obeka se me kan.
Hey.
Forgetting o me so obeba be pamacho wa sheda na oye no nti se o no de oye guy man onye obeba be pacho oh
won say obesa obo me blame su won
me say auntie relax
say my brand bu friend say me tu obi otu wo just to ama me my preparations store no mama agent for pepe bibia me so akasika common sika no wo be destroy something me wa
maninye o permanenye auntie maninye
what we kasa kwa say jo permanent you kasa kwa say chebe you can't tell me that nonsense.
Me say maninye benyo be fufro.
I like that man.
You like what?
That man.
See, you know what? I have to send this phone back.
You are crazy.
Hey.
Are you crazy? Are you madness?
Me nyama komano. Enti no phone e be ya fama na mpan komano. What?
Hey. Are you madness? What about the moon? What about me boy? What the name komano? That's a usual. One down no there fucking me boy. What you so kwa? I give you 24 and 7 hours. I swear, if you won't go back to that man's house, I will show where power is.
I won't go.
You go.
I won't go.
You go.
I won't go.
Try and see. I say try and see.
I will
only there you are.
Want me most cabium. They say na me kwa bontin face can be man. They my friend mammy a catcher no.
Oh yeah, dear, my friend wanna fine.
But why are dear mamma near Japan? So friend me fast pa. And as you said the preaching is equal and
oh yeah.
Oh, not preaching, it was very nice.
I'm dear radio. And I'm sure say, but more 19 hour na de be our ba.
Oh, update. This is Gradiana. Usabo men kind of the abo me pa.
See me fro. Maybe I'm fro Saturday maybe abo.
We dey na make say. So the nsuya any say the idea say the nka mama we can me pack here mama to see way.
Oh, come order boat so.
Oh. So come me order chamso. Kana so wan.
Me ti
Crowfrom. Say come me to the chamso be mama pick na ke connect me me fee. Let's share baby auntie.
Oh.
Oh, Debbie Enche.
Because that's why I me auntie me uncle.
Because the new chwana more ye quite sorry, but no name fear. And your friend.
No cry. So one back meeting me.
I'm baby. I'm a tea. No, sir. At least Miss Okra, me any pebia, be any problem. Sorry, okay.
Oh, okay. I also pack your can with
now so free quotation then I know dear. Lamentation 3:16 dear.
Yeah, so
quotation or G quotation now. It was very nice. Oh, you go see. Yes.
Thank you. You have a nice place.
So the mom is looking.
Oh yeah, what?
I'm coming, okay?
This is nice.
God. But are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
That's good.
Thank you.
Ahana me wo. Kwana misha.
You have a nice place.
Oh, thank you. Nana, you know something? I want to know you more.
Oh.
I want to know you more.
You already know my name. Nanama.
Yeah.
But I have an English name which is Abigail Anderson.
Sure.
Yeah.
Wow.
Most people call me Nanama.
So now I'll call you Anderson.
Oh, well, it's fine.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
What can you know? What can you know?
Oh. Minyukun. Minyukun. See. Me worry.
But what can say worry? But one can boyfriend?
I don't have a boyfriend. Mini boy. I just live with my auntie and my uncle. I lost my parents some few years ago, so I live with my auntie and my uncle.
I'm sorry.
That's fine. As long as it goes so I'm okay.
I'm sorry.
And I have one sister.
Okay.
She's my cousin.
What's his name?
Ajoa.
Okay. I met you.
Okay, I didn't even ask. Sorry.
My name is Sammy Tuga.
Okay, Mr. Sam.
Yeah, but I have a local name. Yeah, you can call me AKABENEZER.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You have a nice name.
Oh, yeah.
So do you live here alone?
Yeah, yes, please. But actually, I lost my mom.
Oh, sorry.
Yes, we twins. Yeah.
Oh, you're twins?
Yes, please.
So where is the other one?
She died.
Oh, she's dead.
She did, yeah.
Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to ask. I'm so sorry.
Oh, don't worry. And you know, at my father they were tears.
Oh.
But a band say I'm in one of leave. Yeah. So my worry.
Okay.
I don't have a girlfriend.
Okay.
Yeah. I live my own.
You live alone?
Alone, yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And you know, Nana, me pawasem pa. Kabinya nanka me na onati. The way I was me kwa sorry. Me pe omo aso mu penya me som oba. Obitime Alice me ye me nkwaje ho adwuma. See nyina bitima ware na ke bitima kwa heaven so abum. Yeah.
You're trying to say opese or worry me.
Yeah, that's it. If it's me nyane.
Are you sure you don't have a girlfriend or a wife?
I told you already.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I don't have a girlfriend. I'm single. Okay?
Yeah.
I'm single. The way our lifestyle sit here, no. And the way I see two was so the book pages, no. Charlie, yeah, I will see her day. I mean, sure.
Amen.
Or sometimes you can buy straight what this year. I bet threatening will never be brave, strong. And the way make me pay the way our lifestyle is here. And if you are your fee,
That's true.
if you are there, always we are welcome.
Okay.
Okay? Sure.
Okay. But about what you said, I just met you not long ago, so I'll go and think about it. I have to study you for some time.
You study me about my life, huh?
Yeah, and one thing, if I accept you, we are going to do courtship. I mean, we are going to study ourselves. No any intimacy, no sex, no kissing, no physical touch.
Like no kissing there.
No.
Like no touching there. Don't worry.
Are you okay with that?
I will agree.
Okay. So I'll go and think about it.
Okay.
Okay.
We need to know say so say you courtship. But you say you Christians. But Yankees here, but we can touch for you.
Oh, we can't touch. I said no physical.
Just like that.
No. So I'm going to think about it. I just met you, so I can't conjure him.
All right, sure.
Thank you for understanding.
Oh.
So, I have to get going. You have a nice place.
Oh, no. Oh. You're going to
Oh, you want me to cook for you?
Oh, yeah.
Maybe some other time.
Come on down, okay. Why?
Let's do it some other time. I'll come and do it for you. I promise.
Sure.
Yeah. Yeah, I promise. I'll come and do it for you. So some other time.
Don't ever disappoint.
Oh, I won't. I said I promise.
Don't worry.
Okay.
I will agree. Accept it. Okay.
Alright.
Alright, girl.
Okay, you have a nice place.
Thank you. Thank you. Nanama.
Can I come in?
Oh yes, of course. Okay. Oh. Oh. How are you?
I'm good.
Oh. We can't come in the frail crowd. And say what from me. Our baby. So how is in church?
Oh, church is fine.
Oh, that's good.
Why didn't you come to church today?
Oh, me late kakra.
Are you sure?
Oh yes, of course.
Okay.
Me late kakra.
Okay. So me by one Valentine, I'm saying Baba check up on you.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's Mama Nintina Emma will be checking me. Oh, Nana.
So I didn't know the reason why until I went back. So.
Nana, my own baby. I love you so much. Sure. I dare I hear me no. Mama, I said, Menya or Dawson could be at the amount. She said to me, I'm sorry, cry with me about a check up on me. Some here, and you be an beating my side. In fact, the way we see Gemino, I remember a different love, some different tastes.
I see you to be a good person, and Tina. One bar, sorry, I'm missing Baba Shisha.
Nana, my shame. Me never sapasawati. And the mintina, they make kind of tear see. Me no basabasa da. Huh? Me no be a me lifestyle here. Basasa, be a very good person. Me no papa sa. Anna, me you very good. I will find you, okay? If you are in quantity, how? Should the way we see Chemino, I feel like I said, what's the good name in China?
But you just met me. Oh, dear, Matty. But about what I said the last time, say, Cemetery as here, Karana. We are not going to have anything, like no kissing. We are going to do courtship.
Yeah, I remember.
Are you cool with that?
Yeah,
are you
sure? Sure.
I don't want a situation whereby I met you as here, then later on you'll be forcing me to do what I don't want to do.
No. Ain't sir.
Are you sure?
Ain't sir. Ain't sita. The open and a mayor amount. Ate, Nana. Slopa. Ain't sita. And first time she would say, be a me Paponi and I be sir. I'm not a bad person.
No, I can see that. I must tell you.
I'm a good person. So,
I know you're good.
Yeah, I am. I'm very, very, very happy.
It's okay.
Thank you so much.
So,
really, see, really, idea sound to me cool. How that you my quack jump coin?
Yes, I do maybe down.
But a dear son, since you kidnapping about already a chanko, will be a kidnap on the Sam Sala line or some Oh, but me, Sabbath is slow. A dear son, oh, dear, that. How you feel slow? That a chin, me, I'm a quack.
No, don't
worry.
I don't have anything.
Don't worry. So frustrated, neighbor. Don't worry. Why? Why okay? Sure. No. I won't touch you. I won't do you nothing.
Promise.
I promise.
Are you sure?
I swear. Okay. I will never touch you.
Okay.
I will never touch you, okay?
You've promised, though.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. All right.
I will never touch you, okay?
Love is a beautiful thing. It can never be seen, but you can feel it within. Yeah. It's a natural thing. The boys so sweet, sweet love is forcing me to sing. Girl, I'm trying to sing. I'm fighting to win your heart. I'm dying. What is happening to me, baby? Girl, you mean a lot to me. I will take you overseas. So tell me how your knees. Girl, I'm trying to sing. I'm fighting to win your heart. I'm dying. What is happening to me, baby? Girl, you mean a lot to me. I will take you overseas. So tell me how your knees.
Love is easy when you feel it. You drowning when you dreaming. Your heart is in control when you never know when you lose. Girl, you never know. And this is me, girl, I love you. I wanna be around you. I don't wanna lose, baby. Oh my God.